Cumin Shallot wheat flour fried fritters. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the Shallots recipes and one of the most unique of the snacks recipes and one of the most delicious of the wheat recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Shallot recipes and one of the most unique of the Cumin seed recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried fritter recipes and one of the most delicious of the wheat fritter recipes. We're going to make Cumin Shallot wheat flour fritters. We are taking around 200 grams of wheat flour. The next ingredients are around 200 grams of shallot, around 15 to 20 grams of salt to taste, and 2 spoons of cumin, and 1 spoon of chili powder. Putting the shallot pieces into the wheat flour with the salt and the cumin and the chili powder. Mix together. Pour in 75 ml of water, little by little. So as to make a smooth paste. Now pour in 50 to 60 ml of oil. Let it get heated. Put in the shallot mixture. Let it cook. turning from side to side. Till golden brown. Take off the pan and plate. Put in the next. Set of shallot and let it fry. Do this until all the shells are nicely fried. Yeah, all of the shell mixture is nicely fried. Final cumin shallot wheat flour fried fritters, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the fritter recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most delicious of the shallot recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the shallot fritter recipes and one of the most unique of the fried fritter recipes and one of the most delicious of the snacks recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.